Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a 20th century Imperial item, a British India coin which was struck in the year in which the Indian Councils Act was passed. This coin was minted under the tenure of King Edward VII, who was also known as the Uncle of Europe. Now coming to the coin, the denomination of this coin is Pice. It is a half Pice coin. The year is 1909. The material composition of this coin is bronze. The mint is Calcutta. As far as the design of this coin goes, you can see a circle of beads within which the year and denomination is mentioned, and outside the circle there is a wreath. On the back of it, there is a bust of King Edward VII facing right. Edward VII, King and Emperor is embossed on it. He was the eldest son of Queen Victoria. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.